So this is what I'm going to use to install ceiling curtains. This is a peel and stick track curtain, and they come with hooks and these pieces here. So basically you're just going to slide it onto the track. It's gonna go like this, and then you're gonna hook the curtain to the track using these. And if your curtains don't have holes in them, you can order these clips from Amazon. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is, instead of using the hook, I can just use the clip and clip it on. So this way it's attaching the curtain without the holes. So now I'm just going to use the clips to attach my linen curtains. You can pick like whatever distance you want to put between each hook. I'm gonna go a little closer because I want like that really like bunched up look. Okay, so once you have everything hooked on, this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to peel this tape once I attach it to the ceiling. And then this is the linen curtain. So I like the curtains here so much that I decided to do another ceiling curtain track over here just to cover the closet doors instead of painting them. So on this side, instead of the linen curtains, I did use these velvet curtains. So I'm going to hang those up and see how that looks. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm attaching those hooks to the curtain, and I'm just going to clip it on probably about 10 inches. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips on this curtain panel. And then I'm just going to slide it onto the ceiling hook, or ceiling track.